We get 4 minutes here. I'm still stuck in a trade here that I took earlier to pass some evals. It's super unfortunate because this one was already passed, by the way. But now we're just stuck in this. We look at the drawdown here. This one was already passed. But I just didn't close the trade. Yeah, looks like we're gonna lose this account now, unfortunately. Super annoying. But we have to switch to bull knocks anyway, so hope we get out here any second. You went to the wrong stream? Yeah, I'm trying to stream it on the short format as well. So that's why I put the link there. I hope people are not gonna get it confused. But does it work on the short format as well? Look, Julian, this was passed. I already passed it. I'm gonna unpass it now, unfortunately. I messed it up. Alright. Yeah, it works okay. Super annoying. I passed the count and just unpassed it. But yeah, I gotta switch to ball knock, so I hope we're getting out of this. What happened? I set up the ticks wrong. I set it one tick too high, and then of course it didn't trigger my target, and reversed. So yeah, but looks like we're gonna lose it now because of the drawdown. Good. All right, we're open. Good luck, guys. Okay, it's gone. Right, should be gone. Man, now I'm in here trading evils. Come on, just go up there. Can't go much lower, otherwise I'm gonna be stepped out. So once you break even, no, it doesn't help me. It doesn't help me. But I just need to switch the connection so I can trade ball knocks. It's okay, we're just gonna leave it on. Because now I'm probably gonna miss my setup because of this. Alright, we're done. Damn it. Now I'm also gonna miss my setup on ball knocks. Oh my god. Come on, connect. Man, unpassed the eval. Would you believe it? Okay, come on, connect. Man, it's so slow. I'm gonna miss the entry here. Oh, let me show you. Oh my god, this is super stressful now. Oh, I hate it. Here, we're in this one. Man, would you believe it? All right. Oh my god. Where's the camera blurry now? Okay. All right. Uh, uh, uh. Yeah, crazy sell off here, huh? Crazy sell off. Man, it's a lot to do. Setting up everything at the same time. My god. Man, that was a bad idea. Okay. But yeah, at least the scalp worked out pretty good on the open. But this is a little bit annoying. Just unpass the account. Trend lines, channels, and some price action. Okay, that sounds good. Sounds good. I mean, we still have two evals here that we could trade. I mean, maybe we try that. Imagine, I'm telling you, this is so stressful setting up everything last minute. That was a bad idea. All right. Yeah, everything's selling off. Man, this is annoying. I could have been in this way earlier. Maybe I should have just closed the other trade on the eval account. Well, it is what it is. All right. Yeah, but we took our trade here on the funded account, and now we still have two evals that we could trade. So let's try that together. Everything's selling off. Trading eval. Yeah, now I will trade these two evals. I mean, I have to get them to 500 in profit each, so we can hedge them. Yeah, if you in the short stream, make sure you come over to the real live stream where you see the full screen and everything. The link is there in the chat. Everything's selling off. This shit is stressful. This shit is stressful. All right, let's see. We're gonna look for little scalps here. Hey Jesse, how are you? Oh, Jonathan, great job. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. I mean, you just missed it. I was trading my Apex evals, and unfortunately, I unpassed the account. It was already passed, but unfortunately, I forgot to take off the trade, or I set up my target one tick too high, and now we actually blew it. But yeah, we had one scalp here on the funded account, and now I just want to make some progress on these two eval accounts. I'm gonna be more aggressive on these. Appreciate you tuning in. Yeah, it's a little bit stressful setting up the stream for shorts and for the normal YouTube feed at the same time. But I think so far it works pretty good. Let's see if we can get a couple points here. Goal is just to make 500 on each. Also, I gotta fix the lighting. It's super dark, right? Looks super dark. No idea how I'm gonna fix that. All right, let's see. If we get a couple more points again. The market is pretty volatile today. But yeah, I don't have too much time today. I have a lot of work to do later on. So we're just gonna try to be quick today. Still have to figure out how I do it with the camera on the shorts stream. I'm holding this level here. Hey, Sean, you in the wrong stream. Oh, sorry, I completely missed this. Now I have to open two chats at the same time. Sean, you in the wrong stream. You gotta come over to the other one. To the top. Nice trade. I appreciate it. Oh, it just changed now. Okay. Sorry. I'm just as confused as you are trying to set up everything. Looks like we're gonna get stuff. Yeah, guys, if you click on the short stream, make sure you come over to full screen so you can see everything. Looks like we're gonna get stopped. Conversion. Yeah. I mean, right now we're just on the evals. We're trying to make some progress on evals. So Already had our trade on the funded account. All right, missed our stop there by tech. All right, we're out. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do not copy anything that I do. Please do not do that. All right, let's get some drawdown back. How's the sound? Because here, I mean, the room is pretty empty, so there could be like a little echo. How does it sound for you? Sounds good. Okay. Yeah, to the top. I mean, I see you in the shorts chat. Come over to the other stream, so it's easier for you to see everything. Later on, I'm gonna try to fix the lighting so you can see me better. I know it's pretty dark around my face, but I don't know how to fix it. Hey, Yash, how's it going? Good to see you. But right now, the goal is these two accounts, they need to get to 500 in profit. And then we can basically hedge them. One goes short, one goes long, and you have 2,500 drawdown, so one is going to pass. Yeah, right now Bolnox is expensive. It's only 75% off. So I would not recommend getting accounts right now. Definitely wait. Oh, did they change it? At least wait for, I mean, they should do 80%, 81%, because Apex is 80% off, and usually they match it with other prop firms. So 81% is already a little bit better. Wait, let me reach out to them. Maybe they can change it. Okay, let's see. All right. Let's see how long they take to update it. Usually they're pretty fast, and then they should update it to at least 81% off. Sean, are you gonna take the 15-minute range again, or are you gonna wait? What are you gonna do? Oh, it came close there to our target. I mean, to be honest, on the evals, we shouldn't even use a stop at all. So just gonna make some progress. A good thing is with Bullnox, if you buy the accounts for 91% off, they will always reset to the same price. So even if we blow this account, it's gonna reset again for 16 bucks. Well, looks like we want to go lower. And we can always add, right? Okay, let's add one here. Then we can take it off a little bit earlier. But yeah, again, if you just joined right now these two accounts, this is just eval, so we're being more aggressive. Do not copy anything that I do, please. Always do your own research. And how hard is it to make 500 on these? Oh my god. Why your stop is bigger than TP? Because it's an eval account. It doesn't matter. On eval accounts, I mean, my stop is basically not existing. I don't use stops for evals. On funded accounts, it's different, yeah, but on evals, it doesn't matter. That's why I said the target is 500 in profit because our drawdown is 2500 as well. And if they're both at 500 in profit, then we can just go long on one and the other one goes short and you're definitely going to pass one. But that's what I'm trying to do. So I don't like trading evals for a long time, I don't want to do that. And if I just YOLO them one by one, my pass rate isn't that great. So a futures evals free. No, you gotta pay for it, of course. But they are pretty cheap. It was $16, so not too bad. All right, let's scalp it a little bit. Let's put a little bit higher, then we should be at the target. Yeah, sorry guys, it's a little bit chaotic today. A lot of things I had to set up, and I'm still not done. Like I said, I have to fix the lighting and everything. And I also have a lot of meetings today, so it's quite a busy day. So I will stream for like another maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but then I already gotta go. But tomorrow we go back for normal streams and longer. Damn it, just missed us there by a tick. Also to the top, because you watch the short stream, is the quality good on there or is it different compared to like the mainstream? Because it's hard for me to check how it looks for you. Also, in this place we have a lovely background. We have a beautiful washing machine background, huh? Isn't that something good? A beautiful washing machine. Beautiful washing machine. All right, we need like I think like 100 more. We should be good. Just gonna wait for a pullback first or like a breakout. Let me see how I can change that on there. Mm, Yeah, I mean, it's for like if you look on your phone, it's like a vertical mode, like a portrait mode, or however you call it. That's why. But I'm still trying to set it up somehow that my camera is not blocking PNL and stuff. I mean, I just tried it today the first time to see how it even works. Um, I will set it up later. All right, let's wait for a little pullback, maybe a little bit lower. Keep streaming. Yeah, I will. I mean, I'm streaming for like 3 months, 3.5 months now, but just like full screen, like where you are right now. But YouTube Shorts, that was the first time ever today that I'm streaming there. All right. Okay. So now we will switch over to the other one. This one is at the target web like 500. But yeah, like I said, I still gonna fix this with the lighting so you can actually see it and it's not super dark. Uh, then I will adjust the camera and stuff later on. All right, let's see if we can break this level. That's resistance up here. Okay, it's a good pullback. Let's see if we can get a couple points here. All right. Yeah, good thing is this account, we're getting closer to the threshold of 2600. So we're like 480 off, and then we can start taking trades for more points after the trailing drawdown stops. Still like 1500 away from a payout. So still a long way to go. is the camera blurry? Stop doing that. Okay, guys, in case the camera gets blurry, just let me know so I can fix it again. So yeah, we're just waiting for a little pullback here or a candle that closes above here, above the level. All right, let's see. Just taking like 5 or 6 points at a time, just slowly getting to the target. So pull back lower, but like I said, we're not going to use a stop. The only thing we could do is add another contract at one point. All right, let's add one here. All right, going lower. Let me just move my stop out of the way so we're not getting stopped. What a chaotic day. A lot of chaos today. Okay. All right, we need one more little trade, and then we had 500 there as well. And then we're pretty much done for the day. But yeah, at least the internet is good enough to handle both streams at the same time. This is Fanica. Only this one at the bottom. I blew a lot of funded accounts lately, so that's the issue here. We're just trying to slowly rebuild. But this one is the only funded account that I have right now. But I have 3 more Apex accounts that I already passed. I just have to activate them. And then I also have a couple Phidias accounts that I've pretty much passed as well. But I'm just waiting to activate them right now. Let me show you. Here you can see Phidias. All right, so this is on Phidias here. The target is 26,500. So basically, we're one trade off on this, like maybe a 1.5 on this one and one trade on this as well. So they're basically passed. The issue is if you pass them, you have to pay the fee right away, and that's what I don't want to do right now. That's why I'm waiting. But yeah, there's basically 6 more accounts ready right now. Just want to make some progress on this account, get to a payout or get close to a payout, and then I will activate more. Yeah, the last weeks are rough. I blew up a lot of accounts. Lost my payout streak. I was on a 13 months payout streak. So over a year, I took out money every month. Unfortunately, that ended last month in May. Not doing too well lately. Got so close to a couple payouts, but it's just not enough patience, not disciplined enough, and then I blew up some accounts. So we're just trying to rebuild at this point. See if we get this little scalp. All right. So basically, because now we have 500 in profit on both evals, one account is definitely going to make it because one account goes long, the other one goes short, and then, of course, one account is going to hit the target. So this is another account that would be ready. These two, they're going to reset, I think, next week. So we'll do the same there. And yeah, we're just going to build it up again slowly. But yeah, sorry guys. Today is super chaotic here. Super chaotic. All right, guys. Now we have a ball knock sale. It's 83% off. Just message them and they updated it. So if you want to get ball knocks accounts, now they're cheaper again. Share link, please. Just give me a second. I mean, you just go to ball knocks. I mean, you can use my link, but just go to the ball knocks website, and if you want to get an account for discount, you use the code TNT. Of course, you don't have to, but if you want to get an account, make sure you support someone else at least. Yeah, ball knocks is always great. They always match it. They always match up the sales. But I hope we're gonna get a 91% sale at one point again. But I mean, anyways, guys, like I said, it's a super chaotic day here. We made some progress on the funded account. This is important. Basically, we will have another funded account from these two. So overall, we made some progress. Yeah, we're just gonna excuse me, slowly build it up again. I'm gonna try to fix the lighting after the stream, so tomorrow it should be less chaotic and more organized, and I definitely have more time to stream tomorrow. Today I just have a lot of meetings, so I'm gonna be super busy. If you're still trading today, make sure to stick to your plans, follow your rules, and don't overtrade. If you have a red trade, just walk away. Hello, camera. Okay. So make sure to walk away. Don't blow up accounts. It's not worth it. If you have a bad day, just call it and yeah, take your time off. All right, guys. Short stream today. I will be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern, like always. And appreciate you all. Stay safe, and I catch you tomorrow again. And let's have a good week. Let's make some progress. Let's get this account closer to a payout, and let's end this course finally. All right, guys. Appreciate you. See you all tomorrow. Peace, peace. How do I even end this now? And now I have 2 streams open. I don't even know how to end that. That could be it. All right, guys. Appreciate you. See you all. I'll see you all tomorrow again. Have a good one.